doing uphill sprints. These are serious fat burners. I want you running as fast as you possibly can and then doing 1 minute of rest. Let's go. Okay, another major fat burner is intervals on the stairs. Now, that means I want you doing 1 minute fast, 1 minute moderate. And I'm okay with you holding on when you're going fast, because I don't want you to fall. So be careful. Okay, this is a superset. I want you keeping your legs straight and your feet flexed for these sit-ups. Let's go. Okay, now we're gonna go into our Russian twist. While keeping form, I want you going as fast as you can.
Girl, I just work for you. They told me marriage was a give and take. Well, you show me you can take. You got some giving to do. And now you tell me.
Rider, bag with a lighter, stuff in it. Give it to your friend, let's spin. Everybody looking at me, glancing at the kid. Wish your name was dancing the jig. Here with this handsome kid. Take a cigar right from Cuba Cuba. Just bite it.
Okay, we're working your transverse abs for this one, which is your corset abs, holding your waist in tight. Now, hold your core, brace. So you want a smaller waist, you want a leaner waist, you want to get rid of those love handles, you want to get rid of that belly fat. So this routine has cardio and ab core workouts that are going to tone, lean you out. Now, we added cardio because you need that for fat loss. There's no such thing as spot treatment fat loss, and I know there's a lot of people out there giving you bad information about that, giving you only ab exercises and telling you that it's going to get rid of your belly fat, your love handles, etc., and it will not. What that will do is that will help to tone. I showed you a transverse ab workout as well, which helps you to hold your waist in tight as it is your corset muscle. Now, when we're talking about fat loss for your waist, you need to be doing high intensity workouts. That's why we have sprints and intervals. So give this a try. I guarantee you this is what is going to give you the results that you're looking for. For me, I personally like to take a thermogenic with my workout. I like to take Oxy Shred. You can check the link in my bio if you want to check out the Oxy Shred that I use.